Ei, Laura, tinc una idea.
Quina?
Posa't. Vaig a publicar a l'Instagram.
Vale, però no t'olies a posar el hashtag Ciate 2015.
You've been looking in the sea, you've been looking in the sky, trying to find something with limbs like ours, something with brains like ours, something to guide us in our lives. Well, I'm telling you right here, you're looking too far, missing something right before our eyes. They got leaves instead of hair, they got bark instead of skin. Though their feet are in the ground, they've still got arms. All the trees as they rise from the ground around us, down to the center of the earth, with the bones of their limbs worn by the wind. Will they ever find a home? Oh, it isn't hard to see the resemblance, I don't think, for we are both planted and we sprout. And while we can run away with the use of our nice legs, they'll stay just where they landed. All the earth and sun and rain is all they need each day. They've no lust for material things, for they build no shopping malls, and their garbage isn't hauled to piles of radioactive waste. All the trees as they rise from the ground around us, down to the center of the earth, with the bones of their limbs rocked by the wind. Will they ever find a home? Oh, for centuries on end, they have tried to be our friends. They give shade and food and air and build our homes. Oh, but we don't seem to see their offer of peace, for we cut them with